Understanding Main Street, the heartbeat of American small business. What is Main Street? Main Street is a term widely recognized by economists and business enthusiasts as a representation of America's independent small businesses, reflecting the vital role they play in local economies. The origin of the name is simple yet effective. It comes from the common designation of the primary commercial street in small towns across the United States. In the UK, the equivalent term is often referred to as High Street. In the economic dialogue, Main Street is frequently contrasted with Wall Street, the latter of which is synonymous with large corporations and high finance. However, it is noteworthy that those operating on Wall Street invest significant effort in understanding the trends and preferences that emerge on Main Street, as these local preferences can greatly influence larger market dynamics. Key takeaways. 1. Local focus. Main Street always refers to local businesses, consumers, and services, distinguishing them from the larger, often impersonal entities found on Wall Street. 2. Counterpart to Wall Street. While Wall Street symbolizes big business, investment firms, and the global economy, Main Street represents small, often family-owned businesses that form the backbone of local economies. 3. Government support. Various grants and loan opportunities are available to support Main Street businesses, illustrating the government's acknowledgement of their importance. The landscape of Main Street. As of 2020, according to the U.S. Small Business Administration, there were approximately 31.7 million small businesses operating in the United States. These enterprises are the lifeblood of local economies, embodying resilience and creativity, but many faced extraordinary challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic. The influx of vibrant small businesses contributes to community identity, with each store or service adding to the character of its neighborhood. Types of Main Street businesses. Businesses that are considered Main Street establishments typically include local retailers, non-chain stores like clothing boutiques, toy shops, and bookstores. Service providers, hair salons, spas, and other personal services aimed at local clientele. Food and beverage, local diners, coffee shops, and breweries, which have become increasingly popular post-pandemic. Specialty services, pharmacies, fitness studios, and local farms offering organic produce. The survival of these small businesses is often challenged by the rise of e-commerce and large retail chains, further exacerbated by events such as the pandemic. However, the resilience of Main Street businesses has been impressive, especially with the growing trend toward supporting local. Main Street versus Wall Street. The dichotomy between Main Street and Wall Street often surfaces in discussions about economic health and investment. While Wall Street firms cater to institutional and large-scale investors, Main Street investment firms focus on localized financial planning and investing to aid families and small businesses. The mutual dependence. Despite the apparent disparities, Wall Street and Main Street are intrinsically linked. Wall Street relies on the capital generated by individual investors to maintain operations and thrive. Conversely, local businesses need Wall Street investors to achieve better returns than what is offered by traditional savings accounts. However, this relationship is complex and can lead to conflict, especially when economic policies favor one side over the other. Investing in Main Street. Encouragingly, there has been a growing trend toward investing directly in Main Street businesses as a means of supporting local economies. Through peer-to-peer lending platforms and crowdfunding sites, individuals can invest their money in small businesses that aren't listed on stock exchanges. For instance, Mainvest and LocalsTake allow potential investors to provide funds to small local entrepreneurs, fostering community impact while also opening a unique investment avenue. Benefits and risks. Investing in small businesses can come with higher risk compared to traditional Wall Street investments, but it also offers the allure of local impact and community growth. Investing in a local coffee shop or retail store can yield not only financial returns but also contribute to the overall vitality of a neighborhood. Government program supporting Main Street. Main Street Lending Program. In response to the economic downturn caused by the pandemic, the government introduced the Main Street Lending Program on April 9, 2020. This initiative provided critical financial support through loans for small to mid-sized nonprofits and businesses, totaling around $600 billion. Main Street America. Another resource available is Main Street America, a program under the National Main Street Center, which actively promotes the revitalization of historic downtowns and neighborhood commercial districts. This organization offers various funding opportunities and resources to help local businesses succeed. The bottom line: small businesses are integral to the health and sustainability of local economies across the United States. A thriving Main Street usually corresponds with a vibrant community and improved quality of life. While challenges persist, especially following the pandemic, government support, along with grassroots investment strategies, provides hope for rejuvenating small businesses. By becoming conscious consumers and actively seeking out local establishments, individuals can contribute to the revitalization of their towns and cities, ensuring that Main Street is not just a nostalgic term but a thriving reality. Investing in and supporting local businesses plays a crucial role in fostering a healthy economy that benefits everyone in the community.